Hey everyone, it's Jeffrey at home. Let's listen in. A lot better. Hey everyone, this is Jeffrey at home. We're just listening into the. This is our second part of listening to the train whistles. This time we're leaving. This time they're leaving the Perry Street station right now. Let's listen in. Excuse me. They just left Perry Street just moments ago. We should be hearing the McDonald's, the crossing towards McDonald's. Should have another crossing coming. Should have another crossing coming. Yep, there you go. This is the second of two train rides, by the way, in case we're just wondering. And now it's starting to pour down, or starting showery out here right now. And gladly we got outside and listened to the whistles. Otherwise, I would have, I would have not got it. I did part 1 of that earlier. Now this is our second part right here. So I'm gonna get off here and we'll be back on later. So thanks for watching my regular channel live video. Thanks for watching my regular YouTube. Thanks for watching my regular channel on listening to the whistle. Thanks for watching. Yep, thanks for joining us here on my regular channel, and we'll see you guys when the next whistle comes back. It probably won't be until like 6 o'clock. So, or a little bit before that. So, alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining us here on my regular channel, and we'll see you guys later.